Your dough is now done. It's going to rest, prove, straight after kneading, first rise, bulk fermentation. I would say this is going to be ready within 30 to 45 minutes, okay? There's a lot of yeast in there. You've got the sugar. It's going to be quite active on the fermentation front, okay? Very good. Of course, you are going to cover your dough with a shower cap, which I've got right here. Never leave your dough in the open. I'm going to put this in my prover. At home, you need to leave your dough at a temperature above 20. Doesn't have to be very, very hot, okay? But definitely a temperature in its 20s. Above 20, perfect would be if it was at 24, 25. But over 20, it's fine. Let it be. And it's ready, okay?